Hello everyone, this is Mr. Shinoj sir, your grammar teacher. How are you all? How is your vacation going on? Are you all keeping well? I wish you to be safe and sound. Now, dear students, let me once again welcome you to the session of 2020-21. Today, we are going to learn about the negative sentences. Before that, let me introduce you the textbook. Unlike other subjects, this year we have grammar textbook. And this is your grammar textbook. And in the previous lesson, we have learned about the sentence, in which we have discussed about the declarative or assertive sentences. And in today's class, as I have mentioned, we are going to discuss about the negative sentences. For example, I say, this is a bottle. This is a bottle. Positive statement. And this is not a bottle. This is not a bottle. Negative statement. Okay, positive. Yes, and negative. No. And when you make negative statements, most of the time you do add the word not. This is not a bottle. Not. Dear students, now you may please try to answer these questions. Question number 1. Do you like to eat green vegetables? Do you like to eat green vegetables? How do you answer? You might answer it like this. Yes. Or no. The next question. Do you like to study? You have to answer it. I hope most of you would like to study. Okay. Now, the next sentence. Are you afraid of dogs? No. Or yes. The answer is yours. You have to ask your conscience. Students, once again, you may please take a look at this question. Do you like to eat green vegetables? The answer is yes. I like to eat green vegetables. And answer number 2. No, I do not like to eat green vegetables. So, in that second answer, we have added not. No, I do not like to eat green vegetables. Now, you may please take a look at both of these sentences. I do not eat pasta. I do not eat pasta. Rohit does not eat pasta. Rohit does not eat pasta. What do you see? The third person singular, we have added does plus not. I do not, Rohit does not. Dear students, now let's look at some more negative statements or sentences. This is not an aeroplane. This is not an aeroplane. These are not pencils. These are not pencils. This is not a laptop. This is not a laptop. Now, let's take a rule. Placing not after is, am or are. So, now I am going to take are. They are my neighbors. They are my neighbors. It's a positive statement, thereby it's a declarative or an assertive statement. Now, let's take the negative statement for the same. They are not my neighbors. They are not my neighbors. It's a negative statement or sentence. Now, let's see some more sentences. Positive. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Negative statement for the same. I am not a teacher. I am not a teacher. Harsha is a doctor. Harsha is a doctor. It's a positive statement. And negative statement for the same is Harsha is not a doctor. Harsha is not a doctor. Now, placing not after will, shall or can. They will come to my house. It's a positive statement. And negative statement for the same is they will not come to my house. They will not come to my house. Dear students, now you may please take a look at sentences using can. Positive statement. I can ride a bicycle. I can ride a bicycle. And the negative statement for the same is I cannot ride a bicycle. I cannot ride a bicycle. Now, you may please make positive statement and a negative statement for shall. Now, let's go to the next rule. Placing not after do and does. First one, we have pets. We have pets. It's a positive statement. And the negative statement for the same is we do not have pets. We do not have pets. And Smith goes to play school. Smith goes to play school. The negative statement for the same is Smith does not go to play school. Dear students, I hope you have understood the class pretty well. Now, I have a small assignment for you. If you have a chart paper or a white sheet, you may please divide it into two columns called positive and negative and write 3 sentences each for is, am, are, do, does, will, shall and can. And take a photo of that and put in our WhatsApp digital classroom. Dear students, today we have learned the chapter negative sentences, and we have learned terms for both positive and negative sentences, and hence I have put it something like positive and negative sentences. Here are the terms for positive statements, and they are do, does, am, is, are, will, shall and can. And we have got the negative terms for the same. They are do not, does not, am not, is not, are not, will not, shall not, and cannot. Students, I'm pretty sure that these terms will help you in understanding the chapter in a better way. I wish all of you a cheerful and happy learning.